Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use MetaMask wallet with Binance easy method. Start by installing MetaMask and securing your seed phrase offline, then open Binance to find network and wallet options. Add Binance Smart Chain network information into MetaMask by entering the correct RPC, chain ID, and symbol, and then save. Always double-check addresses before sending funds and test with a small amount to confirm connectivity and safety. Now add the Binance Smart Chain network details into MetaMask using the Network Settings tab and type the RPC URL, chain ID, and network name exactly. Include the currency symbol so balances display clearly, and optionally add a Block Explorer URL for quick transaction lookups. Save the configuration and switch networks to BSC before sending or receiving tokens, and always confirm the network matches Binance to avoid cross-chain mistakes. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical crypto guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long setup sessions, and it won't spill on your keyboard, which I find reassuring when I'm juggling addresses. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it might make setup time more comfy. Now let's get back to the video. To move funds, copy your MetaMask wallet address and withdraw from Binance, making sure to select the Binance Smart Chain or BEP20 option for the transfer. Always choose the matching chain on both platforms to prevent lost tokens, and start with a small transfer of $1 to $5 to verify everything works. After confirming receipt, send larger amounts and monitor transactions using your chosen Block Explorer or MetaMask activity panel for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.